So here we are, we're explaining one of the labs for the Making Sound lab for this week, so the week of May 11th. The materials you're going to need for that, you're going to need some sort of stemware, so it's a glass, this part is called a stem, and a normal glass. Everything needs to be made out of glass. And you'll need some water. So this lab deals with the topic of resonance. And a resonance is when you basically force something to vibrate, and it vibrates at a natural frequency, like this frequency here. You hear that? That's the natural frequency of this glass. Resonance happens when you cause that natural frequency, you hit that frequency and the vibration actually becomes amplified. A very good example of resonance is when you're walking down the hall or in a room with a cup of coffee, and eventually you see the coffee start sloshing more and more and more and more. That's because you've achieved resonance. The vibration is being amplified. Another good example, there's a bridge that collapsed in Washington State in 1940. And there's a link to that on the YouTube channel. So what you're going to do with the glasses is you're going to take some water, put it into the glass, and you might have seen this done before. You have to wet your finger, and then you get the glass to sing. I'm holding it by the stem, applying just a little bit of pressure to the rim, not too much. If you really press down on it too hard, you could cause the glass to break, and that's going to hurt. And I've seen that done before. That's happened before. And there you go, you make it vibrate. To change the sound, add a little bit more water. So you're going to investigate what's going on with the amount of water in the glass versus the sound that you hear. And also kind of varies on what type of glass you have. If you notice here, I've got four glasses all here, sitting here. These two are one type of glasses, they believe a white wine, this is a red wine, and this cheap Christmas glass. And on your phone, you can download an app which is called a tuner. And you can tune the music, tune the glass to each note. Mira. This is C. This is D. This one is E. And this one is G. And these are all in the octave above middle C. So if you have all of them played together, here's what you can do. Need a little bit of water here. Voila, Mary had a little lamb. Didn't think you can play music on some glasses. So if you have enough of these, I can get each glass to play like 2 notes, about that much. You can tell here these two are playing C and D. There's very little difference in the amount of water in it. The frequency between C and D, maybe about 20 hertz or so, so it's not a lot. So the water difference isn't much. When this glass is empty, this one in particular, it plays E flat. This one here is glass is barely has any water in it. It's playing E, and this one is almost full and it's playing G. If I were to take maybe about a ½ inch of water out of this one would play A. So at your house, go ahead and gather some glasses, get some water, and go on and have some fun. And answer the questions that are in the document in Google Classroom.